exporting these guys out as JPEGs. So we're going to assume that you've gone through and you've made all of your, if you were doing your roughs in Illustrator, you'll have 12. Otherwise, when you're done, you're going to have your 6 icons, and each one's going to be in its own artboard. So you're going to make sure you save your Illustrator file. So in this case, I can see that this is called exportdemo.ai. So that's an Illustrator file. So you're going to give me that in Blackboard, but you're also going to share your icons with each other in Slack so that we can talk about them, so you can present them. So the thing is, you want to then export them out as well. So you want to make sure that you make these as JPEG so that we can easily have a look at them inside of Slack or any other screen-based image. So we're going to be making these, each artboard is going to be its own image. So I'm exporting them from screens. Now you want to have a look at where it's going, because it's going to default to Creative Cloud. I don't necessarily want that. So I want this to go into my Graphic Design 1 demo folder. So I'm going to choose that. It'll open it up after exporting so I can see that. That'll make my life easier. Go ahead and create subfolders. Now, what format do I want? We've got lots of different options. Now, what you're seeing is you can do a PNG. Now that's for vector objects. Not a bad idea, it makes a small file. But I want to be able to see this easily in Slack, so I want either the PDF or I want a JPEG at 100%. So this is kind of telling you how good of a JPEG it is. So you can do that, or again, you can do a PDF. That's absolutely fine. And you can see I've got all of my artboards are checked. Now in this case, I don't have anything in those 4 artboards, so I'm going to uncheck those. So that's all fine, and then I'm just going to go and I'm going to click export. And you can see it's now popped up, and I've got artboard 1 JPEG, artboard 2 JPEG, and you can name these whatever you want to make it easier for you, because otherwise you're going to have a million artboard 1, artboard 2s. But you can then go ahead and open up Slack and go into the correct graphic design class, and then you can go ahead and you would attach these using the little paper clip, add those photos in, and then go ahead and send them.